Hey tartlets, it's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be recreating one of my prom looks from junior year of high school, and I'm actually going to try on my junior prom dress for the final look. It is pretty out of style now, but I'm gonna show it to you guys and pray that I could still fit in it. All right, so I have a picture for inspiration that I'm going off of. And I don't know, you guys, this is the picture. I had dyed my hair brown back then, and I was way tanner then. I regret going tanning so much. Totally just gonna throw it out there, being honest. So I don't know if you guys could see from that picture, but my makeup was pretty minimal. I don't even think I did my brows back then. So I'm just gonna do a little bit in my brows, but like hardly anything because I really don't think I did it. And then I always wanted to do like bronzy toned eye looks. So I am going to be using shades from our Tarte Pro To Go palette, just these like bronze shades right there. And this is probably, back then, this was probably a palette that I would have gravitated towards just because it's so simple and so easy, and I really was not adventurous with makeup. And then I always wore liner on my lower lash line, so I'm gonna be using our Tarte Double Take Liner and just lining my lower lash line, popping on some mascara, and I used to bronze my face all over instead of like contouring. I just used to bronze everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna jump right in with our Tarte Pro To Go palette, and truthfully, I used to just put like this bronze shade all over my lid, and that was like all I did, so we're gonna do that. It's actually gonna kill me to not even do anything in the crease, but I didn't even know what my crease was probably in high school. Back in 2007 when I did this look for junior prom. I probably didn't even use a brush back then. I probably just used my finger, but we're gonna use a brush. Next, we're going in with that Double Take Liner, Tarte Double Take. We're gonna go with the pencil side because I always used a pencil for my inner rim. I honestly used to think my desert island product was eyeliner and that I couldn't live without lining my lower lash line. I thought I looked so different and so weird without it. And I never even did the top, I just always did the bottom. And it wasn't until college that I actually stopped lining my lower lash line, or I at least started doing the top. Next, we're gonna pop on some mascara. I'm using our Man Eater mascara. This is my favorite mascara. Also, I used to never put mascara on my bottom lash. Now I like have to do that all the time. So this is basically my eye look. I'll throw a little bit of brow in, but I didn't really do my brows. I didn't know how to do my brows or even really know what any brow products were. Now I can't live without my brows. So I'm just taking our brow pencil in the shade Taupe, just because I think my brows were a little bit more defined back then. I probably just gotten them waxed or something. So I'm not even going like right here, I'm just doing just like the ends. All right, so now I'm gonna take bronzer and just dust it all over my face. And to be honest, I actually used our Park Ave Princess bronzer way back in the day. This was my first Tarte product ever, and I had actually stolen it from my sister. So this was my favorite, and I'm just going to dust it all over because that's what I used to do. I had no idea how to contour or anything. I used to just literally go crazy with bronzer. I'm just bronzing all over. I used to do this back then. I mean, still not bad to do. I just didn't know what contouring was back then. Then next, I'm going in with a little blush, and I'm gonna use the shade Blushing Bride in our Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and just applying to the apples of my cheeks, giving it a little bit of color. And then the last step was I just had a clear lip on, so I'm actually going to use our Lip Quench in the shade Clear. I was very basic. All right, so I'm bringing you guys in close. This is the final makeup look. I'm going to quickly just change my hair so I can have it look somewhat like I did in the picture, and then pop on that dress. We'll see if it fits. I actually fit into my junior prom dress, although I'll probably never wear it again. So here is the final look. I even added some jewelry that looks like the jewelry that I wore to junior prom, and somehow I fit into this dress. I'm very happy about it. But yeah, let us know in the comments down below if you guys are headed to prom, and let us know also if you guys had some wild and crazy prom looks when you were in high school. And until next time, tartlets, we'll see you later. Mark just got home and he saw me in this and he was like, "What are you doing with that dress on?" I was like, "I'm filming. Do you like it?" He was like, "No."